Hello, in this video I'll show how to use timelines in Showrunner. To add a timeline object, I'll go to Edit Mode, I'll drag a new task and a new timeline. I'll press the button on the timeline object and the timeline will open. A preview window will also open in a few seconds. We can select if you want it to open or not by unchecking this menu. So let's see what we have here. On the left side, we have all commands we can use and all tracks we can use on our timeline. On the right side, we have tabs for adjusting and manipulating objects on the timeline. So let's start by giving the timeline a name. I'll call it Show 1. We can select the group and the display map we want to use the timeline for. In this case, we have only defaults, so I'll leave it as is. We'll add tracks for media. I'll add 3 tracks and I'll close it for the meantime. To add a media, we'll just press right click on our track and add media, and you can see the media is showing on our preview. If I want to position it, I'll go to the position tab, move the media to my first display and press set key. I can actually animate by moving it again at a different time and setting the key. So now you can see it's animating. So if I'd like to use this to add another media, we can do the same. Go to the position, move my media, set key, and add another keyframe. So you can see this is my timeline. Now I'll bring a remote player into our demo so you can see what's going on when with our remote servers at the same time. You can see it duplicates the preview. I can actually move the media in real time and see what goes on my remote servers. So if our timeline is done, I'll press OK and go to run mode. You can see the timeline is running. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.